Hello, guys. Welcome to the new episode of Shiv Sagar Academy. Today we'll be discussing about the current affairs 2020 hot topic, that is land pooling and also land leasing. So let's start with land pooling. Okay. So why it is in news? That is the first thing we will be discussing about. So recently, the central government notified the Delhi Development Authorities on policy on land pooling to enhance economic opportunities and housing development in the cities under Master Plan 21. Master Plan 21. So, which we, when we will go on to depth in news, we can see that the land pooling is a land acquisition strategy where ownership rights of privately held land parcels are transferred to an appointed agency, and with these land parcels being pooled as a result. So that is what land pooling is. I'll repeat it again. So land pooling is nothing, a land acquisition strategy. So the ownership rights will be given to privately held land parcels, and also it will be transferred to a appointed agency. And with these land parcels are being pooled as a result. So that is what land pooling is. So it's in news. So the agency here, which has been appointed, uses some of the pooled land for infrastructure development and sale, and also the rights to new parcels in the pooled land are transferred back to the original landowners in some proportion of their original property. So that is the exact strategy what the agencies have got. That is, the agency uses some of the pooled land for infrastructure development. So the land which they will get will be converted into some kind of infrastructure, and they will see it. So that is one kind of outline they are having. So the rights to new parcels in the pooled land are transferred back to the original landowners in some proportion. So it has been done in Gujarat under the mechanism of town planning schemes, TPS. So for developing a Dholera special investment region. So the initial land pooling method was conducted in Gujarat, which is under town planning scheme TPS. So for developing Dholera special investment region. So that is land pooling. And also in Andhra Pradesh, land pooling has been done on large scale development of its new capital city of Amravati. So in Andhra Pradesh also land pooling has been done. So it's been done on a large scale for the development of capital city Amravati. So let's take a look on what is land leasing. So land leasing means a contract between the landowner and a cultivator. It's an agreement, so which uses the landowner's property for agriculture and allied activities for a mutually agreed specified period. So that is what land leasing. It's an agreement between the landowner and a cultivator. So in India, land leasing was allowed only in some states, and there too the market is poorly developed. So it leads to the following issues. So let's have a look on what are the issues of land leasing. So landowners do not lease out land for a fear of losing possession. So thus keeping changing the tenants. So that is one of the issue which is prevailing in land leasing. They do not lease out the land for a fear of losing possession, and they keep changing the tenants. So here the tenant farmers cannot available the benefits of government schemes like credit and insurance. So that is the two issues which is being faced by land leasing. And to review the existing agriculture tenancy laws of various states, Niti Aayog had set up an expert committee on land leasing headed by T. Hawk. So to review the existing agriculture tenancy laws of various states, Niti Aayog had set up an expert committee which is headed by T. Hawk, and it drafted a model land leasing law which seeks to create security among landowners to lease out the agriculture land. So however, the land being a state subject, many states are yet to adopt the model law, and also some central departments had some reservations on it. So that is a prevailing issue. That's also a prevailing issue. that some central departments has also some reservation on it. So there exists a confusion between the tenant farmers and also between the central department which is handling the land leasing. And so what is the potential of land leasing framework in India? So through land leasing, we could include productive use of land, social security to tenants, and also improve agriculture efficiency, promote occupational diversification and inclusive development. So that is what the advantage of land leasing is. That is the positive side of land leasing. There is agriculture efficiency is it's stable, and they also promote this occupational diversification and also inclusive development. So there is a difference between land leasing and also land pooling. So comparing to land leasing and land pooling, there are much more disadvantages for land leasing because state of confusion has been existing much more in land leasing, but land pooling has been done clearly because there is no such disadvantage like land leasing. So I'll explain the topic once more. So land pooling is first thing, and land pooling is a land acquisition strategy where ownership rights of privately held land parcels are transferred to the appointed agency, and with these land parcels being pooled as a result. So that is what land pooling is. And coming to the main point, Gujarat has done land pooling in the town under the town planning schemes for developing Dholera special investment region, and also Andhra Pradesh has done in a large scale for development of its new capital city of Amaravati. And also coming to land leasing, it's nothing but means a contract between the landowner and the cultivator. So the disadvantages are the landowners do not lease out land for fear of losing possession. That is the first disadvantage we have here. And also the tenant farmers cannot avail the benefits of government schemes like credit and insurance. So to review these things, Niti Aayog had set up an expert committee on land leasing headed by EHOC. So, and they came to draft a model land leasing law. So this is what land leasing and land pooling is. Okay, so that are the two topics in Current Affairs 2020. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just subscribe our channel Shivasagar Academy, and also if you have any suggestions, please comment in the comment box below. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.